I have a quick unboxing video for you guys. This is the Koi Beauty Professional Beauty Care. It's a Dermaroller slash micro needling. So it's a 2-in-1 depending on what you guys call it. I'm going to use this for my beard, but you guys could also use it for your face to make it look nice and new and exfoliated right here, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, they have different sizing, right? So I did buy a 0.25, but I feel that for my beard that it was way too small, so I went with a 0.50 millimeter now. So this is going to be bigger. If you guys have no beard, then yeah, that 0.25 will probably work for you, but for me, it's going to be that 0.50 right here. Let me go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so the cool thing, it does come in this sanitized little baggie right here. Let me take it out of this bag now. So this is what the case looks like, you guys. I do like it. It looks pretty nice, and you could use it for traveling because it's just not going to open like so easy. I'm actually holding the top of it right now, and it's not opening. Let me go ahead and open it up, and then we can take a look at it. All right, here it is inside the case. I do like it, you guys. It does look nice and sleek looking. We do have like a little grip up here. We do have the Koi Beauty. Let me go ahead and flip it around. It's kind of like a spoon on this end, you guys. And then that is it right there. 0.5 millimeter needling right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. There we go. It's nice and focused. You guys could see how it looks right there. And that is going to help me grow my beard. Or in some cases, you guys could go ahead and have that nicer skin, look a little bit younger. Definitely recommend picking up this product.